Hi mga ka-locals! Nakapag-master siomai na ba ang lahat? And what's your ultimate food court favorite? Alam nyo ba, share ko lang tong siomai ng master siomai na grabe with a lot of chili garlic talaga. Panalong panalo for me. My gosh, alam nyo ba, minsan yung chili garlic nila, okay na ako with the rice on top. Pero yung Japanese siomai nila ay super love. College pa lang ako, fan na ako nitong Japanese siomai nila. Kayo ba mga ka-locals, what's your favorite here? Ayan, alam nyo, sometimes hindi ko namamalayan. Ang dami ko na palang nakain. Diet pa more, ha? And syempre, we also have here their gulaman drink. Sobrang OG na tong gulaman. And syempre, hindi rin ako pwede mag-master siomai without your gulaman. Kayo ba, what's your favorite? Are you team siomai, team shark's fin, or Japanese siomai? Plus, ito na pala yung prices nila ngayon. Yun lang!